Una welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, my correct person. I don come your side again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. And this koko I bring come na about our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party wey be Atiku Abubakar. Like this now, my correct person, Atiku Abubakar don dey blast our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu with too much talk. He say make the man stop to dey brag joor, make him no dey buga dey give country people. Say him still dey pay fuel subsidy and he no wan let anybody know about the matter. No be small koko, my correct people. I still bring you informate concerning WIK. Our president now don come outside the yarn say WIK na one of the best appointments made by any president since the year 1999. No be small accolade, my correct person. Without wasting much of your time, make I give you the full details of these headlines wey I just summary you so. And I will start from Atiku Abubakar matter with our president. Like this na Atiku don dey allege o, him don dey sama accuse dey give our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He say dey pay fuel subsidy for inside the country Nigeria o. Say our president now dey claim say fuel subsidy no dey again, but him still dey pay the thing on a low key. My correct people, we all know who Atiku Abubakar be as the People's Democratic Party with PDP, their presidential candidate for inside the 2023 general elections. Now him come dey make this allegation now for inside one statement wey him share for inside him X handle wey everybody bin know as Twitter, and the thing dey happen on Wednesday wey be June 5th 2024. My country people, abeg no vex, make I take you back in time just small. You know say during the inauguration speech wey happen for inside May 25th for inside the year 2023, our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, him come surprise plenty people for inside the country Nigeria, as in him shock country people when him declare say fuel subsidy otilo is far gone. Sharp it thing come make the price of fuel e come increase from 180 to over 600 naira. Now my correct people, I no know whether I go classify am as ashiri, but wetin we know be say reports now don dey ground by different media say the federal government still dey pay fuel subsidy, even as country people sef still dey buy fuel at a high price. So those kind level sef e get as e be. Now Atiku Abubakar come dey blast our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu with plenty talk over this matter o. Oga Atiku come dey yarn say e shock am plenty when he learn through media reports say the government still dey support downstream consumption, and he come dey yarn o say this fuel subsidy removal now na wetin Tinubu and the officials of im administration take dey brag, take dey buga, say they don remove fuel subsidy. E don become the talk of the town for their mouth, e get. And he come dey talk o say this our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say this man he no dey open up to country people about some kind things so. And now wey be say they don dey pay fuel subsidy, according to him, he say the federal government expenditure on fuel subsidy e fit reach 5.4 trillion naira for inside this year 2024 compared to the 3.6 trillion naira wey dem spend for inside the year 2023. Now he come ask one question wey come interest plenty country people. He come dey ask say if to say the subsidy regime now na something wey be say they dey do am openly, make everybody for know, you get, wetin country people go talk about this kind situation wey be say they still dey pay subsidy and many country people no dey aware of the matter? Imagine that kind levels, my correct people. Now before you begin dey answer this question, number one, we never get evidence because our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu never come outside come clarify say yes so this report na legit, get as e be, na make we no tell una, you understand. Na that time we fit come answer this question, but my correct people, you know say e no make sense at all if our president follow back dey go pay fuel subsidy and we come still dey buy fuel at a price of close to 800 naira. But wait o, wetin go be the cost? Like wetin go make our president now wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu come dey pay fuel subsidy and he come allow country people to come still dey buy fuel at a high price? Now why e be say e no kuku just tell people say how far fuel subsidy I don put am back o, make una jolly, you get? Because that one now come bring down the price of fuel. Is it that dem get plans wey dem never tell country people, abi dem get some kind things wey they no dey let country people dem know about? And if e be like so, e no true make sense, because this political something no be something we say they go dey hide dey do. They supposed to dey tell country people say see as e dey be o, so that the public now go come still dey trust them wey be politicians, wey be our president. Come dey trust this in administration, you understand? So country people go like wan get answer to this kind thing. Go like wan hear the truth of the matter. Abi una no go like wan hear the truth of the matter? So moving on to the next informate still about our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Im don dey yarn give the Federal Capital Territory Minister wey be SUŽVIV3 say he na one of the best appointments ever made in the history of the current democratic dispensation. See accolade wey im dey give this man, my correct people. Our president now wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu im dey yarn this one on Wednesday for inside Abuja during the inauguration of the Inner Southern Expressway and the Outer Southern Expressway, known as the first phase of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan Expressway. And you know another thing wey surprise country people na when Kashim Shettima wey dey represent our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, im come dey describe SUŽVIV3 as a force of human nature. Im say whether dem love the man o, whether dem hate the man o, but you no go fit ignore the man, because at every point in time say im dey redefine the meaning and concept of modern leadership. Just imagine the accolade wey dey shower on top this man. Whether im true deserve am now is left for the people of Abuja to tell, you get. But our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, im don already shower the accolade give Wike and im team for their dedication and hard work as dem take deliver many projects including the expressway in less than 1 year. But make we tell ourselves the truth, this thing wey Wike dey do im dey do am nicely, im dey try, im deserve the accolade, because even when the man be governor of Rivers State, na Mr. Project dem call am. The man dey do, im dey build flyover, dey do bridge, all those kind of levels. Im do things wey be say people cut cap for am. But na later we come find out say all these things wey im do for inside the Rivers State na on credit o, because the governor of Rivers State now wey be Sibi Nalaye Fubara come outside come dey yarn say come, all the people wey the former governor of the Rivers State and the current minister of FCT wey be SUŽVIV3, all the people wey im do project with, all those contractors wey im give the contract, they don dey come disturb am for office for their remaining balance, and e no make sense at all, because no be governor that time and im come dey pay debt for wetin im no put hand. Although im bin follow for the administration of SUŽVIV3 that period, but e no make sense at all because the thing dey disturb im work. Now all these ones now when they do for inside Abuja, we just hope make e no be say na on credit, you get. And you say our president dey capable, I no sure say e go dey on credit, understand? But our president now don come outside dey yarn, dey give the public, im dey assure everybody say in the coming months and years, say in administration e go continue to dey prioritize infrastructure development as a cornerstone of this im renewed hope agenda wey im carry come for country people. So this my correct person na the informate wey I bring come for you. Anyhow the thing be you for body, you are free to drop it inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, where they like give una ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news, na you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp. And make you try to share the updates to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey play for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring on that update for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.